Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional, yes. In yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, Wednesday, May the 12th, 2021. Today it's Accessions Day, so there's no newspaper, so I will continue with the extra Sudokus in this additional. And the second Sudoku will be number 2781, and it will be a 4-star Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku, if it's really 4 stars, I need more than 30 minutes to solve. Well, the previous Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku, I think this one is quite complicated because, yeah, this one I like this, and publisher more of these kind of Sudokus. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. I've already counted. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. I see a pair. 8 and a 3 in this row. 8 and a 3 in the middle row. So it will be a low. The only two places for the 8 and 3 should be in those two boxes as a pair. Alright. Then. Let me see. Yeah. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 8. Yeah. 8. How about the number? Three. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between, the middle column. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 here. There an 8, no 8 there. So the only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. 8. Yeah. Then. Yeah. 3. 7. 3 missing numbers in this last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 here. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and a 9. 5. 7. 9. 9. Okay. 1. 3. Yeah. Okay. Need to think. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6. No 6 in that box. So the 6 could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 6. Then 3, 1, 3, 3. 8. I'm thinking. 7, 7. Yeah. This one is also complicated. Yeah. 4, 4. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4. Should be there, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4. Okay, I cannot continue with the 4 now. Let me concentrate with the other number. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6. 6, yes, 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 6, I need to wait. How about the number? The number. Yeah. 2. 9, 2, 9, and a 5. 5. Ay, 1. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have, let me see. So the 1 should be also there. Ay. 9 and a 2. Yeah. 3, 3. 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. How about the 4, and There, the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 are missing in the last row. 7, 8, and a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 should be here. 2 boxes left in the last row for the 7 and the 8. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. All right, so we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. All right, I can now continue with the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And the last 4 in this column, last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 6. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the last row. So the 2 in the middle row should be here, because we have a 2 here. So those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those 2 numbers should be the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5, you see here, 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. 1 box left in the second column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. Here also 2 numbers missing in the third column for the numbers 2 and 5. And the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 9. Alright, a lot of pairs you can see. So it's not easy. You need to find the pairs. 2 numbers left in this row, 2 and a 6 we have here. These 2 should be the 9 and the 3. 9 and the 3 are missing. Alright. Those 3 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 5, and 7. 1, 5, 7. And I cannot fill this yet. 1, 5, 7. 9 and a 2. 9 and a 2. Okay. 5, 5. Okay. The 9 should be here. The 9 should be there. Okay. I need a 9 in this row. Yeah, in this row, I need a 9 in one of those 3 boxes. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Aha, now we have 1 box left in the last column for the number 2. Okay. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. Okay. 2 to 5, 2, 5. The 7 should be here. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. Alright. 2 and the 5 are missing. In the third row, we have a 2 here. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. Second row for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column be 3. The middle column. Oh, we already have a 2 there. I'm sorry. Let me see for another number. How about the number 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left. We already have a 3 here, so this should be a 9. And this should be a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 4 stars? No. And it's quicker than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku, I think, yeah, this one was very complicated. But I'm pleased with the time, 17 minutes. I give this, well, 2 stars or 3 stars. But I like this one, yes. Let me give this a 3 stars. Did you enjoy the video? Thumbs up. Otherwise, give me a thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other. Well, I will continue with the third puzzle. It's a binary puzzle. Yes, and then the tectonic. Yes, let me do this. See you later. Bye bye for now.